Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Glam Izdari, one of the organizer of DEVSTRONS, and beside me is Harsha. She's also one of the organizer of BUGTRONS. So yeah, here the times comes the closing ceremony of this whole big event, the 4 day event. So yeah, Harsha.
Yeah. So all our hard work, perseverance, patience, everything pays off now. So we are welcoming you to the closing ceremony of BUGTRONS 2.0. It was a great journey ahead, and we are looking for such amazing contest sessions along with you, with your support and everything else. Thank you. Gulam, would you
Yeah,
like to proceed?
yeah, Yeah, the whole thing, the whole 3 rounds and the whole event was really amazing. We are pleased to see your participation. There are so many people who are doing really great things. Like the top 20 people, I really like to congratulate those people, the top 20. They got from 900 people to top 20, and that is really great to see that. And yeah, so Anshuman, can you move to the next slide and show us how many registration do we got? So so it is really great to see that we got around 900 plus registrations, and we didn't expected that. And like in the previous event, we got around 100 registrations, but now in the 2.0, the revamped version of the previous event, we have got 900 plus registrations, which is like 9 times than the first event, and it is really great to see that. Harsha, can you add some more insights?
Yeah, sure. It was really great. Like, we had it not just for the 4 days, it wasn't just a 4 day event, it was a 3 month long event, you can say. And we had so many other things that we did in these 3 months. So, by that journey, a lot of people joined us, and it was really amazing. We talked to so many other people. We had a team overall, which worked so good.
Yeah, we had a team, and we got to know about the value of teamwork, and we worked with each other. And most of our team members are online friends, even not offline. We haven't met it in offline mode yet, and it is really great to see. And yeah, let's move to the next slide and see how many members do we got in the server and all. So yeah, Ansuman, can you? Yeah. So we have got approx 2,000 community members, and we are 2,000 members strong right now, and it is really good. And yeah, we had. I remember that 1 month ago or 2 months ago we had only 1,000 community members, and because of this event, we have got around 1,000 community members, and it's good to see. Uh, and moving ahead, uh, we got around. Anshuman, can you forward the slide? Yeah, we got around 102 volunteers, and they works for really amazing. And uh, like they because of them, this event has become this much big. And because of this, we got 900 plus what do you say, registrations, and people got to know about this event because of these volunteers, because of these hard work of these volunteers. That is good. And Harsha, would you like to say anything else?
Yeah. Exactly. Not just the events and the participants, they actively participated in other things like the Twitter tweets, and they promoted it so well. Along with that, they also participated in the events, like uh, they also attended all the events attentively. They also attended all the classes. So that was really great to see the volunteers working so hard along with the organizers.
Yeah, we also had some fun events and some activities in our server, and they perfectly came to that event and enjoyed that as well. That is really good. So moving ahead, uh, yeah. So you all helped us grow, right? There are so many people who were tweeting about us. There is Krish. there is Dhruv, there is Anshupriya, and there are so many other people who were tweeting about us, and because of them, we got this whole event become this much big, and yeah. So can you, Anshuman, move forward to the next slide?
Okay, so
Yeah,
the main event was like it was super cool. The contest along with the speakers session and everything. So Rishika Gupta, Smile Gupta, and Anisha Swain were the main event speaker. They gave amazing insights on some specific topics that could be, important for uh, our journey. Like Rishika gave us insights at being an SD in LinkedIn. Along with that, Smile Gupta is an engineer at Razorpay, and Anisha Swain helped us improve our resume. Anything from
yeah,
Gulam?
yeah. All the three events with these women in tech was really amazing, and we are happy to see that all the three main event speaker are women, and yeah, it shows how much diversity we all have in like these things, right? So yeah, that is really amazing to see. So can we move to second next slide? Okay, so we had some our judges who were judging, who just all the submission the whole night, and because of their hard work, we are doing this closing ceremony, and we are now announcing the winners as well. So yeah, cheers to the honorable judges as well. So yeah,
So here comes the amazing organizing team of BUGTRONS 2.0.
yeah, we have myself. After that, we have Ashish Chavda who helped us in really many ways. He guided us and brought so many sponsors as well. We have Priyanka who was working beside uh, so many things she had done. We have Abir Pal, we have Akshat Nima who was uh, doing all the stuff, all the backend stuff, and uh, summarizing all the questions and all. So yeah, we have Anshuman who was doing all this stuff, coming in, uh, talking to speakers and coming in all the speakers and all. So yeah, we have Payal Sharma, Samal, we have Aditya Sahu, we have Harsha. She's beside me and hosting beside me. Yeah, we have Joshit Reddy OPD, and yeah, and there are so many other people who help us in so many other things and help us in making this event so big. So yeah, we will be meeting this whole team in a while after now announcing the winners. So uh, be ready to meet all of us, and we will be having some great hangouts, right? So yeah, let's move to next slide. So before Bucktrons, the main event, we had some pre-events as well. So we named the pre-event as Bucktrons Con and Bucktrons Podcast. So Bucktrons Con has 10 events, 10 sessions, and they were really insightful. There was some it was on some topics which we really need, and it really helped us in building our skills, and yeah, it is really helpful. And we had some four giveaways, and there were particularly four winners for them, and they're really happy. They were sharing. I personally saw they were sharing their giveaways, winning and all, and it was really good to see. And we got around 3K plus views on YouTube as well, and that is really good to see. And cheers to the team for that. So yeah, moving ahead, Harsha.
Yeah. So these were the speakers for the conference. So during the February month, we had conference on some alternate days. So these were the leaders who helped us grow in every manner and possible and get us some insights on the industry and what's going inside the industry.
Yeah, there are so many speakers who really great at their respective field. We have Santosh Yadav, who is GDD expert, and he has done a lot of stuff in his respective field. Himanshu Sharma, who is Flutter developer, and he's organizer at Flutter India user group. We have a Birpal who has worked as a SW intern as Infinity, and he's really great at open source, and he's also a open source contributor at Versal and Next.js. That is really good to see. We have Shiva Lamba who is a TensorFlow who know TensorFlow very well, and also actively participate in TensorFlow and open source and stuff. So yeah. So we have Faisal Ahmed who is really great in Rust. We have Sangam Brother who is really great at Kubernetes and Dockers. We have Swift Sovan who was from Microsoft, and he has really done a great work in his respective field. We have Anush Sharma who has hosted really great amount of hackathons and all. And yeah, we have Kaushik Roy who is entrepreneur in his field, and he's doing really great things as well. We have Harsh Bajpai, who is a hack club lead for whole in Asia Pacific region, and he gave us really great insight about the Web3 and all the things. So yeah, let's move to next slide and let's see what all we have covered in the BUGTRONS podcast. So, but BUGTRONS podcast had 10 plus podcasts, and we have impacted around 500 listeners and uh, all the comers who came to listen to podcasts. Yeah. So let's move to next slide. Harsha.
Yeah, so podcast with the super speakers. So the podcast was basically revolving around the blockchain and NFTs, right? So these are the times where for NFTs and blockchains are in hype. So we thought of bringing people who are good at it and who are actually working with these technologies, so that you get better insights on those things, and if you are thinking of trying your hands on it, so like that.
Not even in Web3, speakers really took over so many topics like ML, how to work, how we can get into ML, machine learning and stuff. How do we build a machine learning model? And really, it was really great to see. We had a session with Praveen who told us how do we get a work visa and how do we work in UK and foreign and some other countries as well. So yeah, it was really great to hear. Yeah, let's move to next slide.
So these were the top volunteers of our BUGTRONS 2.0. And from among 100 plus volunteers, these were the two most active volunteers who participated in almost everything, every event and every other sessions, not
Yeah,
just
they
thing.
literally participated in really all the events we had, all the fun events, all the community sessions we had. They really came up and they really did a great work. And about they had really great referrals as well. So that is one of the plus point as well. So yeah. So cheers to all the top volunteers, all the Priyanshu and Anshu Priya. You did a really great work, and you will be rewarded uh, surely with the swag, hopefully T-shirt and stickers as well as and all other things as well. Yeah, let's move to next slide. So here it comes the sponsor because with whom this whole event is uh, done and all. So yeah, Harsha, can you add up more things more?
Yeah, sure. So the sponsors, they were really like helping us throughout this event and contest, as they provided us so much like I would say about GitHub, they provided us with swags, and as a platform partner, StreamYard is already helping us, as you can see it. Replit is was a partner in the contest in the round two, and similar Prep Insta supported us with the monetary. Along with that, Hack to Skill how supported us with everything, like how a community culture along with the speaker and everything else. Gulam, would you like to say something, or we should head next?
Yeah, yeah. Prepinsta was like Superman sponsor who was giving us really great things like, and who helped us uh, making this whole event really big. And they also giving Prepinsta Prime to our winners. That is really great. It will be really helpful for all the winners. Like I personally seen the Prepinsta courses, and it is really great. Yeah, we have hack to skills who have given us uh, some supporting things, and we have StreamYard, we have Replit, we have GitHub. Yeah, they really helped us to make this whole event this much big. Yeah, let's move to next slide. Yeah, the community partners, we had really uh, so many community partners who helped us make this event really uh, good, and make event this much big. So we have the first community partners as Hack This Fall. The second community partner was the algorithm. The third was Hack Club, and we had Microsoft Student Community, we had Hack Club League, Hack the League, we had Cube Delhi, we have Developers Community, we had Coders Evoke, we had Bro Coders, we had Inaxia, we have Tech Phantoms, we have uh, what do you say, Young Minds of India, we have OpenCo. So thanks to all of the community partners, and thanks for all the things you all have done for us, and thanks for promoting this event in all of your platforms. Yeah, let's move to next slide. So yeah, these are the two community which brought this whole event into action. We have DEVSTRONS, we have Learn with Community beside. So yeah, for DEVSTRONS, I would like to invite Priyanka on the stage, and she would be telling us what is DEVSTRONS and how DEVSTRONS
Hi
is doing.
everyone, am I
Hey
audible?
Priyanka, yes you are.
Okay, cool. Talking about like to give my insights about DevStrons. So we started with a very small, number of students. It's like we all met in a hackathon, and then we decided to make a community. So from there we started a server called DevStrons, and to give the meaning of DevStrons, Devs means something related to development, and Trons means growth. So we named it as DevStrons, and we all, agreed on this name. And now, we are more than 2,000 plus members in our server. And to give a, brief what all we do. So we organize quiz, we organize workshop, and sometimes events like BUGTRONS, and we will take initiative further as well. So apart from this, we also used to hang out with the in the VCs. Like we used to do watch party, sometimes like meme competition or anything like that, fun events. So this is a short in brief about devstrons. And for LWC, like it's also open source community. Like we also have open source projects as well. Like you can go through our GitHub
Yeah, let's
organization,
call
and
up Aditya for
yeah,
LWC. Let's
yeah,
call up
just
the
call up
founder of
Aditya.
LWC here and
Yeah.
take an insight from him as well.
Just first let
Hello,
me
hello,
complete
hello.
the part, open source project part. We also have open source project which you can go through the GitHub organization, and feel free to contribute to any of the projects. And if you are getting doubts, so you can ping us there in the doubts channel in our server. So yeah, over to you, Aditya.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. So, am I audible? I hope so, guys.
Yes, you're
Yes,
audible.
you are.
Okay, cool. So, like before starting the journey of the LWC, the Learn with Community, I want to just share the knowledge about it. Ki how we have started this community. So, in my mind, having us from the starting, we have a mind one thing ki we want to just give back to this community because we have taken a lots of thing in freely with this community. So we have to. It's our responsibility to give our juniors and show the path ki where they can just design their journey to reach the best software engineers and enter in this tech field. So we have started the Learn with community with the mindset ki founded the goals of to encouraging the new developers to educate, learn, and build concept related to DSA. We have started with related to DSA because I am the teacher. We have taken a lots of classes in our BUGTRONS and in our community also. So we have founded this community to encourage the people to provide the resources of data structures and algorithms. I have taken a lots of classes in different server in our community also, and now it's our goal to cover the whole technologies and taking a session live classes, give the you can say that the clarity to the people they can design their journey in the DSA because lots of people are facing DSA problem in DSA subjects. So I'm giving you can say that putting some 0.001% in this community and give back to this community try to so now my LWC is the slogan is ki learn with community means ki learn with community not out of community. So it's my request to all of the users or viewers ki please being with these communities, and our slogan always says ki learning together is the best way to learn. Thank you. This is our the whole description about community.
Thank you, Aditya and Priyanka, for giving the great insight about both communities, and it is really great to see how you all, you both have made this community this big, and you are helping so many peoples, and yeah, that is really great to see.
Thank
So
you.
moving ahead with the session, uh, let's move to the next slide, please. It's time to announce the winners. That is the best part of this whole closing ceremony. So let us bring up Abir Pal, who is the guest speaker for today, who will be announcing the winners for you all. Let's let's come up.
Hey, thank you for inviting me to this special event, and I'm really happy to have you all here, in this whole community. And I've been part of DevStrons for a long time. We had a discussion regarding DevOps and data structures, a lot of stuff. And it's big kudos to guys those who have pulled up this whole event, the BUGTRONS event, with heavily focusing on data structures and algorithms. And data structures and algorithms are really important because it's being used in building parsers or whenever you're doing any open source contribution or where you are writing some microservices, the core backend, you need to know about DSA, and this really helps. So participating in these type of contests helps you to develop some logical skills and make sure that you get some patience level or do it in particular time frame. So these things really help out. So I guess you all enjoyed this event and have made up a good proof of concept for yourself and will be learning and implementing. Not just learn about DSA, but try to implement it. Try to build your own caching system because if you go and read about Redis, there you get to know how Redis works, how algorithms are being implemented, and that's how things happen. So make sure that you try to actually implement, and whatever you have learned, you try to put it into the real picture. So I guess we have Ashish too. Hi, Ashish.
Okay, we have Ashish bhai here. I will leave
Hey folks.
leave
Hey
you
Abir.
with
Hey
the
Ghulam.
yeah. I will leave you with Ashish, and you guys announce the winner. And I
Sure.
hope the best people win. Yeah, I will go to the backstage now.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So Ashish, shall we start or shall we give it some time to the attendees right now?
Oh, folks are waiting from a lot of time, so I guess we should announce the winners now.
There's some network issue. No, Ashish, am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
Abir, you're audible.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I think we should. So I'll directly share my screen, and we'll go with that. Okay. Give me a second and let me just do it for you. Yeah. Okay, so let's just share the screen. Share.
Abir, it's a lots of suspense. Please do it fast.
Yeah, it is like completely agreeing with you.
Even I am feeling it. Who is the winner?
Yeah. So okay, let me go down. Am I okay?
Your screen is
I don't.
visible.
The screen is visible. I'm scrolling
Yeah,
it down the line, so we can start from the bottom, and then we can move up.
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. I don't think screen is scrollable. Like I don't know. This is might be a bug or whatever it is. Let me reshare the screen. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Cool. You can add the screen over here now. Organizers. Tell me, Ashish, if the screen is visible.
Yes, Abir, it is visible.
Okay. Cool.
Actually, yeah,
Yeah. So let's go with the round one qualifiers. We had different set of rounds, and out of that, few of them qualified, and they have been moved up or like moved up to the next round. So for BUGTRONS.co/leaderboard, if you go there, and you can see now the first rank is for the first of round one qualifiers are for starting from Perth, Sarthi Bhunia, Tarun Singh, Animesh Dubey, Rishabh Raisda, Ash Kodes, Ishan Gupta, Mihir Kumar Patel, Prakash A, Ashish Pandagre, Bharat Kumar Karipalli, and so on till we go till Zohair Abbas. Okay, so we have 20 folks around there in round one qualifiers. Ashish, would you like to take up the round two qualifiers?
yeah, sure. So
Hmm.
round two qualifiers, we decided to allow 10 participants to go ahead, and this were the round two qualifiers. So Parthasarathi Bunya, Rishabh Raizada, Ishan Gupta. So these were top three scorers in the round two, and
Yeah.
Ashkot, Tarun Singh, Prakash all scored really well and really did in the round two. So yeah, we had total
Yeah,
10
and this
participants there.
shows like this shows that how much perseverance they had, like build up the patience with
Yes,
food and all. Yeah. So yeah, really hats off, kudos to you. But those who didn't make up to round two, don't get disheartened. It's more of learning. Try to connect with these folks on our Discord and try to talk to them how they develop the algorithm, how they approach the problem, because these things will help you to learn about how to tackle out different situations at different respective times. So try to connect with these round two qualifiers and. Those were like or in fact also the round one qualifiers, those who didn't even qualify for round one, so they can actually connect with them, try to like learn together, so that will create a good community and plus what you say, learn with community. Yeah.
learn with
And now
community,
moving on
learn
to
in
our
public.
winners. Yeah. So Ashish, you announce the winners now.
So yes, so these are the people who did really well in round one and round two. So they got to the final round, which is our winners. And the first rank is for Ash Coates. I really don't know the real name of this person, but Ash Coates, you did really great. Partha Sathibunya, you also were amazing. Ishan Gupta, you rocked it. So
Yeah.
these three people were our winners, and yeah,
Yeah, these three people rock the stage, and I guess all of you will connect with them and also get them some followers too on their Twitter or wherever they are located on LinkedIn. So, and try to like not just getting them followers, but also to learn from them, like how they approach it, and how the solution is going to happen. Okay, so try to connect with them, and big congratulations to the winners, Ash Codes, Parth,
yeah,
and
winners.
Ishan. And yeah, so let's move to our main slides now. Yeah, awesome. I guess let's move to the next slide. Yeah, and for swags, we will be having Anshuman on the stage right now. So, Anshuman,
Hey Anshuman.
hi.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Yeah,
I can already see so much buzz in the chat here. Yeah. So yeah, let's decide what all the things we are having for our winners, and I hope you all are excited for that part. And so
even I'm excited for my swag. Yeah,
okay, so I hope my screen is visible now.
yeah, screen is
Yes,
visible.
Anshuman.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the top three hackers, I mean, so for the top three coders, we are having Prep Insta Prime subscription along with the t-shirts with some stickers of Hack Club, GitHub, and Prep Insta and BUGTRONS, and they are having the Rapid subscription of 1 month hacker plan. For the top 10 hackers, we are segregated this into two parts actually. Basically, of the uh, fourth, fifth, sixth, we're getting the 6 months of benefit of Prep Insta Prime and the T-shirt and the stickers as above and the Rapid subscription. And again, the fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10 will be getting 3 months of Prep Insta Prime t-shirts, stickers, and Rapid subscription. Not only that, we are having top 20 coders. We are having something for the top 20 coders as well. So we are having Rapid subscription and stickers. So
Oh,
that's all the SAC section. Yeah.
awesome. I guess let's
I
move to
hope.
the slides. Yeah,
Yeah.
Sure.
yeah.
Okay. So I think the host should be come up on the stage and take the stage again.
Mm, yeah. All our like whole team members should come. Like we can
Yeah.
close the screen sharing and we can pull in all the members. Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, first of all, thank you everyone. Thank you all the participants and all who have participated and have made this whole event such a big success. And yeah, we should call all the organizers up to the stage, and we should take some insight from them as well. So yeah,
Obviously, we will
Akshat,
call the
Aditya,
organizer here.
Joshit.
Uh, Priyanka, Harsha.
Hello, hello
I think
everyone.
there are no limits. So,
Pull up all our organizers on the stage.
Let's rock it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so big kudos to first our problem setter, Akshat. So, Akshat,
Yeah,
so
yeah, it
he
was
how
did
will
really
you
great.
describe your experience now organizing this? Yeah, we want to know.
okay. So I should say it was a good experience for me because it was a not actually I should say the first time I'm setting the problem. I've done in my college, in my institute as well. But yeah, this time it was for all the public which is in the world to make the questions for all of them. So yeah, it was a very good experience to me. I made the problem statements. I think of it in a very creative way. And one of the most brilliant thing, if you just see this Bucktron stream, all are casted in my problem settings. There is starting from the Priyanka with papers, ending with the Payal and his integers, Aditya's game, Joshit's game of the binary. All I have casted it in the problems, and yeah, that's my creativity to set the problems.
Amazing creativity.
That's great.
Would you
moving
talk?
on.
Yeah, this whole event was really great, unique idea, and this whole because and this round two and round three and round one, all of these things would have not been done if Akshat would not be there, and it is, and we should thank Akshat for all the effort he has put in.
I think we
Really,
should
really
thank
thank.
all our team because I'm the problem setter, but we have the problem testers also. I should say I should announce all the ones who have who have tested the problem as well. We should not make the suspense right now. Tell you that who have tested the problems.
Screen has having their own role. So
Yeah.
I think everyone did a lot and take away a lot from this event. So thank you so much, everyone who are presenting here.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's take an insight how much they have learned one by one, how much they have uh, got to know about things and how things got to work in this.
So first, like we can introduce ourselves one by one, and what are our takeaways we can drop.
Yeah,
Starting from Abir,
Yeah, sure.
always says,
Yeah. So, hi folks, I'm Abir, and I hope you all enjoyed it, BUGTRONS. And I usually do open source and kind of DSA both, and I build parsers, CLIs. So you can find me on GitHub more active. Apart from that, I learned a lot of, like, I was contacting various speakers and was handling the speaker section for the whole BUGTRONS event, and also helping with the organizing team. So I got to know more about how to approaching, like, writing a prospectus and approaching speakers out there. It is not like I was bit into a non-technical role, and I usually I want to actually brush up my non-technical skills, so that's why I chose up this role, and it really helped me to grow in that way. So over to you, Ashish, now.
Thanks, Abir. Well, I also had a similar experience with Abir. So I'm Ashish Chawda. I'm a full stack developer from Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, India. And I did most of the part with the sponsorship team and the PR team. And basically, my work was to bring some sponsors so that we can support this event in a better way, and we could provide you some swags also. So this was basically my part, and I got to learn about how to approach organizations and get support from them, how to manage a good community. I also helped with the organizing team and discussions and planning of the whole event. So yeah, it was a great experience, and this is a really awesome team I have here. So kudos to all of you.
yeah, obviously kudos to everyone here. Um, Everyone is, I said, like own their own, I mean, roles, and they performed really well. So myself, Anshuman, commonly known as Aminos, and basically I involve in this team as a outreach, and I really connected with a lot of folks. I done with the I just connected with 10 of these speakers and bring them up on the stage. It's really a pleasure, talking to the speakers, making them influence about our event, and bring up on the stage. So this takes a lot of efforts, and as well as I learn a lot from how to pitch them and how to approach a person in a right way. So yeah, that's my takeaway. Currently, I'm building DevStrons, and yeah, one of the organizers.
I should
Over to
probably
Ram.
say he is the one of the manager of the
uh,
BUGTRONS.
No, no, not.
yeah.
Yeah, Bala.
So yeah. So hello everyone. My name is Ghulam Izdani. I'm one of the also organizer of this whole event and also co-founder of the DEVSTRONS community, who is also in organizing this, made this event on this big. So yeah, I'm also third year undergrad student at Jamia, New Delhi, and I'm also a full stack developer, and I'm pretty much doing so many things. I have accumulated so many skills in these 3 years, and yeah, that's all for me. And my takeaway would be uh, uh, I, I I I literally created the website, and I really worked with Akshat, Joshit, and worked as a team, and made this whole website in just uh, uh, 3 days of planning and all. So it was really great to do all the development things and the backstage things. It was really great to do that.
Cool.
Yeah,
So
Aditya.
come to me, like first of all I want to just give my introduction because I think nobody like respect team viewers will not know me because our community is growing. So let me just introduce me ourselves ki I am Aditya Sau. Currently I am working as a coding educator in Prep Insta and founder of Learn with Community, and our team is not present from my community, but I am here for you. So I like want to share the experience regarding this BUGTRONS. I had a great experience. Like I got to know about ki how to talk with sponsors, right? And I want to like tell you one thing ki this is our first event of our community. We had like done the lots of event, but with the DEVSTRONS collaboration, this is our the biggest event. Okay, we had done or we had done successfully. We had a great event. So please clap this for this. Okay, and second thing ki I got to know about ki I have taken a lots of classes on you can say that the DSA, but I had a great experience on BUGTRONS because BUGTRONS audience is more interacted with me during my was like my classes. So it's a like you can say that the great I had a like memory in my brain, or you can say that in my heart ki there is a some class I had taken, there is a lots of interaction I get got. So this is from my side. Okay.
Thank you so much. Looking forward for more collaborations.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll take up next. Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Joshua. I'm doing my second year at VIT Bhopal. So yeah, I'm a front end web developer and a designer. The greater part of my contribution in this event has been through graphic designing, and as you can see, most of the banners in here are created by me through a lot of help from all the other team members. So kudos to them for their feedback and their suggestions. So yeah, what my major takeaways from this event would be like how much goes into branding of an event, how much goes into making an event successful through graphical graphical contributions and everything that goes in, where we need to make the stuff look good that that it brings up it catches the eyes of our viewers, and it makes them come towards us. So yeah, and next up, Harsha, I guess.
I think that one of the major credits goes to the Yushak, that how he made the designs. All of the stuff, all the banners, all the post and the designing, even the background made in this StreamYard, all credit goes to Yushak. He has a wonderful designing skills. So huge credits to the
Yeah, his
graphic
work is
designing
really
of the Joshak.
commendable.
Even what you see in the websites, the whole Figma design is actually made by the Joshua. What is the background? How do you make it? The majority of the things are done with the Joshua. Big clap to him. I
Thank
think the
you so
next
much.
one, yeah, thank you very much, Joshua. Next one, I think, is Priyanka. I think you are not audible. Just make
Yes,
sure.
Priyanka, you're not audible.
Am I audible now? Hello?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so like to give a short introduction about myself, my name is Priyanka Prasad, organizers at BUGTRONS 2.0, and apart from this, I'm in third year pursuing Bachelor's of Computer Application from Rajasthan University, and like how I contributed was like I was part of contacting the community partners, and I have contributed the in the like website as well, like a little bit of contribution, like making the footer, and this is a small part, and hosting the events. So this is what my contribution is, and talking about the giveaway and what all things I learned. First thing is the classes of Aditya. It was awesome. I have learned, basic concepts of data structures, and the classes was, very beginner friendly. Even like beginner can understand what is data structures till the advanced concepts like graphs and trees. So yeah, again, thank you to our mentor Aditya. And talking about the other events like the conference about the Web3 NFT, and this trending topic, it was super awesome. I got to learn about all these things. And apart from this, managing a program and managing a event, that is something I've learned, what to do if something goes uh, I've learned all these things. And yeah, that was my you know the things that I've learned, and it was like a very great experience for me to organize this kind of work event.
Okay, great insights.
Over to Harsha.
Yeah. Um, okay. Like,
I guess next is Akshat. So Akshat, you can go next, and
okay,
after that
Yeah,
we can call
anyone.
upon.
yep. So moving on to my one. So you maybe know me. I'm very much active during the contest during the event. So I am the problem center of this BUGTRONS, and I'm also one of the website developer of this BUGTRONS. I contributed in the website, made the questions, and also added the test cases, the bulky test cases, I should say, for all the participants that they got in much of the problems there. So yeah, I am that designer of that test cases. You can give me whatever I wish you want during the contest, whatever you want. So I know that it happens with all the testers. That happens that all the participants get stuck in the test cases. So yeah, it was a great experience for me in participating in the workshops. The I personally have many learnings from it. One of the most funny one, I should say, is that I realized how much slow the Python is when I was designing the solution of in Python. And means you can't even imagine that I spent a whole single day on solving just three questions in Python, and then I didn't able to do that in Python at all. So yeah, and on the part of it, if I should say the real learning, so yeah, it was an amazing experience to set the problems, to make the problems in a good way, to in an interactive way for the use participants and have a good documentation there. So that's all from me. Moving on to the next one, I think we have problem testers now. I'm the problem setter. Moving to the problem testers, Harsha. You're
You're
not
not
audible.
audible, Harsha.
Harsha, you're not audible.
No, Harsha, you are not audible.
There might
Looks
be
like
some
some
network
issue.
issue or some technical issue from her side. So, we aren't in the Discord as well, so we could have asked her in the text channels. So let's skip Harsha for now. Let's go to Payal. Yeah, Payal. Hello, Payal.
Your
You're not
mic is
audible.
muted right now.
Can you turn on your mic?
Mic.
Hello everyone. First of all, congratulations to all the winners of Tron 2.0, and congratulations to our team uh, for Tron's success. My name is Payal Samal, and I'm a MCA final year student. That's all. I hope. Uh, um, from this event, I got to know lots of things. First of all, I overcome my shyness, and other things. I also gained other things. Largely, I just want to thank you, Aditya, for informing about this event.
Yeah, yeah. Like there is some story about Payal ki I have talked with Payal ki please contribute in this huge event and you will get the lots of experience. I hope so you have got.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Ansuman and Akshat, for onboarding. Thanks all.
Yeah, the Payal has really great done a great work and all. So yeah, cheers to you, Payal, as well.
Thank you.
Okay, I guess Harsha is there. Harsha, do you want to come up on the stage? Okay. So sorry. Yaar. Again, it's not audible.
So one of you can explain the role of Harsha and drop her Twitter or LinkedIn if possible.
Yeah. So Harsha is one of the sophomore. I guess Harsha is currently in. I don't know how can I do this. Uh,
Okay.
she
So
is
Harsha,
second year.
let me take this.
From
Let me take this.
okay.
Harsha is second year undergrad student in Mumbai, and she's really passionate about Python, and she also do competitive coding, and she has done really great stuff in her field. Uh, I guess she was in the Hashnote 2022, and uh, she has done pretty much good stuff there as well. So yeah, that was brief about Harsha. Harsha.
She even controlling her smile.
Okay,
Uh,
so basis on the part of role she played in the BUGTRONS, and she is one of the content writers in the BUGTRONS and also the problem tester in the BUGTRONS, especially for the round two and the round one. She tested all the problems in his own way, where she can. We have some good insightful stories for that as well. And she had done a commendable, I should say, a creditable work to the BUGTRONS.
And one more thing, she is also a celebrity at GitHub. She have got 500 star on her repository, and it is really really great.
Jarvis tech stop.
Yeah,
Cool.
so
So
yes,
that's all
everyone.
about the event, and like these are the teams who are working behind the scenes, and yeah.
Yeah, so thank you everyone for participating in this whole event and making this whole event this big. And uh, yeah, that is what I will have to. I have to say thank you.
Yeah, all the winners to contact. We will contact them via mail or their WhatsApp number that has been shared to me. So
Yeah,
again, kudos to everyone.
we will be mailing you, and as well as we will be just dropping you in your DM as well. So there's no way you will be not getting swags. You have done such a great work, and you will be rewarded for that, for sure.
Any closure, Abir and Ashish?
Yeah, Ashish, you first go ahead.
Well, nothing from my side as specific, but did really great in the event. All the participants and our organizing team was so amazing. Um, Actually, we are so happy now that this event is successfully completed and we'll be able to uh, announce the winners. We announce the winners now, and yeah, this is a great thing.
Yeah. So thank you all, and I hope like it's tonight over here. So like everyone is in India, I guess. So yeah, it's night, and let's have a good sleep now. And congratulations to all the winners, and also make sure that you try to continue this giving up contest and apply whatever you have learned in the contest. That only counts at the end if you are applying to it at the real world usage. So make sure that you do it, and that's all. Thank you.
One thing I would like to add, so contact
Sure.
Akshat if he has free time, so he can explain you the problems if you are stuck somewhere. So he can also explain you the approach for optimized solutions. So you can have a good discussion on this with Akshat.
Yeah, sure, sure. You can just contact me in the Discord. You probably know my name. I'm visible in the red blue color mod role as given to me. And you probably can tag me in the discussions channel to and doubts channel to ask your doubts, and I will answer them as well. Thank you, everyone.
And bye bye. Bye bye, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, folks.